Linda Kozlowski is a name that evokes both cinematic charm and personal resilience. Known worldwide for her breakout role as Sue Charlton in Crocodile Dundee, she captured hearts with her on-screen charisma and natural acting style. Born and raised in Fairfield, Connecticut, Linda grew up in a nurturing Polish-American household that valued culture, education, and artistic expression. Her journey from small-town talent to international stardom reflects not only her dedication to craft, but also her ability to navigate the complex pressures of Hollywood. Beyond the glitz and fame, her life has been marked by deeply personal experiences, including love, loss, and reinvention. In recent years, Linda has stepped away from acting to pursue entrepreneurship and personal fulfillment. Her story is one of courage, transformation, and finding authenticity, illustrating how a woman can reinvent herself on her own terms while leaving an enduring mark on popular culture. Early life and artistic foundations. Linda Kozlowski was born on January 7, 1958 in Fairfield, Connecticut, into a family that emphasized discipline, education, and cultural pride. Her early exposure to drama and music cultivated a passion for the performing arts, which she explored through school plays and community theater. Recognizing her talent and dedication, Linda pursued formal training at the prestigious Juilliard School in New York City, where she honed her acting skills in a rigorous academic and artistic environment. Her years at Juilliard were transformative, giving her the technical proficiency, stage presence, and emotional depth that would define her naturalistic on-screen style. Performing alongside other talented peers allowed her to refine her craft, develop confidence, and prepare for the challenges of Hollywood. This foundation in theatre provided Linda with the versatility to navigate different genres, from comedy and romance to drama and thriller, shaping the poised and compelling actress audiences would come to admire. Breakthrough with Crocodile Dundee, Linda Kozlowski's career took a meteoric rise with her casting as Sue Charlton in Crocodile Dundee, 1986, where she played an intelligent, adventurous journalist. The film became an international sensation, achieving blockbuster status and securing Linda a Golden Globe nomination for Best Supporting Actress. Her on-screen chemistry with co-star Paul Hogan, who played Mick Crocodile Dundee, captivated audiences and became a defining element of the movie's charm. The success of the film transformed Linda from a promising talent into a globally recognized star. Beyond box office success, the role highlighted her charisma, wit, and ability to balance humor with authenticity. This breakthrough not only defined her professional trajectory but also influenced her personal life, as her on-screen partnership with Hogan blossomed into a real-life romance. Crocodile Dundee remains a cultural touchstone, cementing Linda's place in cinematic history. Life and love with Paul Hogan. Following the success of Crocodile Dundee, Linda Kozlowski's relationship with Paul Hogan grew from professional collaboration into personal love. The couple married in 1990 after Hogan's divorce from his previous marriage and became one of Hollywood's most talked about couples. Together, they navigated a unique partnership, balancing shared projects, including Crocodile Dundee 2, 1988, and Almost an Angel, 1990, with personal life milestones such as the birth of their son, Chance, in 1998. Their marriage offered a blend of companionship and creativity, but it also involved navigating public scrutiny, cultural differences, and career priorities. Despite challenges, their union endured over 2 decades, showcasing the complexities of love in the spotlight. Through collaboration, co-parenting, and shared experiences, Linda and Hogan's relationship highlighted the interplay between personal growth and professional life, revealing how fame can simultaneously inspire and test resilience. Expanding acting horizons. While Linda is best known for her role in Crocodile Dundee, she took care to diversify her filmography with projects across multiple genres. In 1988, she starred in Pass the Ammo, sharing the screen with actors like Bill Paxton and Tim Curry, demonstrating her comedic timing and adaptability. The 1990s brought roles that explored drama, suspense, and thriller, including Backstreet Justice, 1994, a gritty crime drama where she portrayed a private investigator, and The Neighbor, 1994, a psychological thriller exploring obsession and paranoia. She also ventured into science fiction and horror with Village of the Damned, 1995, directed by John Carpenter. These varied roles reflected Linda's desire to challenge herself creatively and work with diverse directors and actors. Although not all projects achieved commercial success, they underscored her commitment to artistic integrity and her willingness to explore complex, emotionally rich characters beyond the familiar charm of her breakout role. Challenges and disillusionment with Hollywood. Despite her successes, Linda Kozlowski experienced growing dissatisfaction with the film industry. By the early 2000s, she felt constrained by the roles being offered, often criticizing the quality of scripts and the rise of straight-to-video productions. She openly admitted that working on such projects caused frustration and disillusionment, revealing her deep care for craft and professionalism. Alongside professional challenges, personal priorities also shifted. She sought fulfillment beyond the demands of Hollywood, reflecting on life choices, health, and family. These reflections ultimately led her to step away from acting, a decision rooted not in failure but in self-preservation and authenticity. By choosing to leave the spotlight, Linda demonstrated a willingness to prioritize personal growth and happiness over fame, highlighting the courage it takes for a public figure to redefine success on their own terms. Reinvention and entrepreneurship. After leaving Hollywood, Linda Kozlowski embarked on a transformative chapter, relocating to Morocco and embracing entrepreneurship. She co-founded Dream My Destiny, a luxury travel company offering bespoke Moroccan experiences with her now husband Moul Hafed Baba. This venture allowed her to channel her creativity and eye for detail into a new form of storytelling, connecting travelers with culture, history, and adventure. Her reinvention illustrates adaptability, curiosity, and resilience, proving that fulfillment can be found outside familiar career paths. Linda's work in Morocco reflects her commitment to meaningful engagement and her ability to blend personal passion with professional purpose. By stepping into a new industry, she reclaimed autonomy, exploring life through cultural immersion while maintaining focus on family, personal growth, and the joy of authentic experiences. Divorce and personal transformation. Linda Kozlowski's divorce from Paul Hogan in 2014 marked a pivotal point in her personal evolution. After 23 years of marriage, she cited irreconcilable differences, emphasizing that their separation was not only legal but transformative. In candid interviews, she spoke about losing her sense of self, realizing that personal fulfillment and identity required stepping away from a relationship that no longer nurtured her growth. The divorce period became a time of reflection, healing, and empowerment. Linda relocated to Morocco, started anew with Baba, and invested energy into building a life aligned with her values. This chapter demonstrates her courage in making difficult choices, prioritizing authenticity over public expectation, and embracing change. Her story resonates with anyone navigating personal crossroads, showing that endings can lead to profound new beginnings. Life in Morocco and daily pursuits. Linda Kozlowski's life in Morocco is a vibrant blend of cultural immersion, entrepreneurship, and personal fulfillment. Daily routines include jogging in the Manara Gardens, savoring traditional Moroccan breakfasts, and exploring souks for spices, crafts, and inspiration for her travel business. Her work with Dream My Destiny involves curating bespoke experiences for clients, blending her artistic sensibilities with Baba's local expertise. Evenings are spent relaxing at hammams, enjoying gardens, or sharing dinners in Marrakesh's bustling cafes. Beyond professional engagement, Linda nurtures her family life, particularly her son, Chance. This balance of work, exploration, and personal joy illustrates her holistic approach to life, blending adventure with mindfulness. Her Moroccan lifestyle reflects curiosity, resilience, and a dedication to living fully, demonstrating how one can redefine success through authenticity and cultural engagement. Reflections, achievements, and advice. Reflecting on her journey, Linda Kozlowski celebrates achievements in both family and self-realization. Raising her son, navigating Hollywood, and reinventing herself through travel entrepreneurship are milestones she values deeply. She carries tools of practicality and beauty, from business cards to argan oil, symbolizing her integration of personal care and professional purpose. Looking ahead, she aspires to expand her business, create Moroccan-inspired clothing, and perhaps live in the countryside, embracing a simpler, meaningful life. Her advice to aspiring actors and entrepreneurs emphasizes perseverance, self-trust, and protecting one's vision. Linda's story underscores that happiness is rooted in authentic connections, personal growth, and the courage to embrace change. Her life embodies resilience, curiosity, and the pursuit of fulfillment beyond societal expectations, offering inspiration to those seeking to live on their own terms.